Hey there, welcome to the world of crypto and blockchain, where technology meets innovation every day. Here we explore projects, exchanges and updates in a simple, engaging way that anyone can follow. Whether you're just starting or already deep in crypto, you'll always find something new to learn, discover and get inspired by. From the latest trends to timeless fundamentals, we keep it clear, fun and informative, making blockchain easier for everyone to understand.
Zero-knowledge proof isn't a concept that's coming someday. The network is already live, daily auctions are already running, and there's currently a $5 million ZKP giveaway taking place. If you've been seeing ZKP mentioned and want to understand what it is, how the auction works, and what the giveaway actually involves, this video will walk you through everything step by step. Quick reminder before we start. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before interacting with any blockchain project. Zero Knowledge Proof, or ZKP, is a privacy-focused blockchain built around zero-knowledge cryptography. In simple terms, zero-knowledge proofs allow someone to prove that something is true without revealing the underlying data itself. Traditional blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum introduce decentralization, but transactions, wallet balances, and activity are publicly visible. ZKP is designed to verify transactions while keeping sensitive data private, without removing accountability or transparency at the protocol level. This makes the technology relevant for individuals, businesses, and even AI systems that need to operate on sensitive information while remaining verifiable. According to the project documentation, ZKP is already operational, not a test concept. One important aspect mentioned in the ZKP launch material is how the project approached distribution and infrastructure. ZKP states that it built its core infrastructure before opening public access, instead of relying on future promises or delayed roadmaps. The project positions itself as avoiding private rounds and early insider allocations, focusing instead on public participation through a structured auction system. Rather than fixed presale pricing, the protocol uses daily auctions to determine distribution and reference pricing. ZKP operates on a stage-based system. There are 17 defined phases spread across 450 days. Each phase gradually reduces the number of tokens available per day. Phase 1 allocated up to 200 million ZKP per day. Phase 2, which is currently active, allocates 190 million ZKP per day. Any tokens that are not allocated during a phase are burned rather than carried forward. This system is designed to create predictable supply changes without manual intervention or discretionary control. The idea is that earlier participation occurs during higher daily availability, while later phases operate with tighter supply. ZKP does not use a fixed presale price. Instead, it runs 24-hour auctions every day through its official platform. Key points shown on the dashboard include: auctions reset every 24 hours. Minimum participation starts at $20. Maximum participation is capped at $50,000 per day per participant. Allocation is determined mathematically based on proportional contribution. There are no private price tiers, no whitelist advantages, and no manual allocation changes. Each completed auction sets a reference price visible on the dashboard, contributing to ongoing price discovery. Alongside the launch period, ZKP is running a $5 million giveaway distributed in ZKP tokens. According to the official giveaway page, 10 winners will be selected. Each winner receives the equivalent of $500,000 in ZKP. To participate, users must hold at least $100 worth of ZKP, follow official ZKP social channels, share the giveaway post, optionally refer others to increase entries. The giveaway is hosted through Gleam, and entries are tracked through the official link provided by the project. ZKP emphasizes verifiable infrastructure, live auctions, and transparent token mechanics rather than future projections. The project highlights institutional validation, live network activity, and a defined launch structure instead of speculative timelines. That doesn't remove risk, but it does provide measurable on-chain activity users can independently verify. If you're researching privacy-focused blockchains or want to understand how auction-based token distribution works, ZKP is an interesting case study to explore. Again, this is not financial advice. Always verify information directly on official sources. You can explore the daily auctions at zkp.com and find the official giveaway through the link in the description.